Welcome back. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best DTF printers for businesses, print shops, and custom apparel creators. We've compared print quality, speed, reliability, ease of maintenance, and overall value to help you choose the right machine for your needs. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and buying guides. Now let's get started. Number 5. Brother GTX Pro. The Brother GTX Pro is one of the most trusted professional garment printers on the market, designed for businesses that demand exceptional print quality, reliability, and long-term durability. While it's primarily known as a DTG printer, it also supports DTF workflows when used with compatible transfer films, making it a versatile solution for custom apparel production. Equipped with industrial-grade print heads and Brother's advanced ink delivery system, it produces vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth gradients on cotton garments and DTF transfers alike. The printer features automatic maintenance functions that help minimize downtime and keep print quality consistent throughout busy production days. Its intuitive touchscreen interface and user-friendly software make operation straightforward, even for growing businesses. Although it's one of the more expensive options on this list, the GTX Pro delivers commercial-grade performance, dependable reliability, and excellent print consistency, making it an outstanding investment for serious apparel decorators. Number 4. xTool Apparel Printer. The xTool Apparel Printer is designed to make professional apparel printing more accessible for beginners, small businesses, and creators who want an all-in-one solution. Combining modern automation with an easy-to-use workflow, it significantly reduces the learning curve often associated with garment printing. The printer delivers bright, accurate colors, smooth gradients, and impressive fine detail, producing high-quality transfers suitable for t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and other fabric products. Automatic maintenance routines help prevent nozzle clogging while keeping production running smoothly with minimal manual intervention. Its compact design fits comfortably into home studios and small workshops without sacrificing productivity. For entrepreneurs looking for a simple yet capable apparel printing system backed by modern software and a streamlined workflow, the xTool Apparel Printer offers an excellent balance of convenience, quality, and value. Number 3. Roland TY-300i. The Roland TY-300i is one of the most advanced commercial direct-to-film printers available, built specifically for businesses that need exceptional print quality, high productivity, and dependable day-to-day performance. Powered by Roland DG's proven printing technology, it delivers incredibly vibrant colors, sharp fine details, and smooth gradients that make logos, graphics, and full-color artwork stand out on every transfer. One of its biggest improvements is the expanded white ink system, allowing longer continuous production with fewer interruptions, while the enhanced white ink circulation helps maintain consistent print quality and reduces the risk of clogging. The TY-300i integrates seamlessly with VersaWorks RIP software, premium Roland inks, films, and optional shaker/dryer units to create a complete professional DTF workflow. It also features optimized color profiles that provide excellent color accuracy and repeatable results across every print. Designed for high-volume apparel production, the printer offers faster print speeds, automated maintenance functions, and reliable long-term operation that minimize downtime and maximize productivity. Whether you're producing custom t-shirts, sportswear, hoodies, tote bags, or commercial apparel transfers, the Roland TY-300i delivers outstanding reliability, premium print quality, and industrial-grade performance, making it one of the best investments for professional print shops looking to scale their business. Number 2. Epson SureColor G6070. The Epson SureColor G6070 is Epson's purpose-built direct-to-film printer, engineered to deliver professional results with exceptional reliability and ease of use. Featuring Epson's precision core printhead technology and ultra-chrome DF inks, it produces vibrant colors, deep blacks, brilliant whites, and excellent wash durability across a wide variety of fabrics. The integrated white ink circulation system and automatic maintenance functions help minimize clogging while ensuring stable performance during continuous production. Its intuitive touchscreen controls and efficient workflow make daily operations simple, allowing businesses to focus on productivity instead of maintenance. Built for commercial environments, the G6070 offers consistent print quality, impressive color accuracy, and dependable operation, making it an ideal choice for growing apparel businesses that need a reliable high-volume DTF printing solution. Number 1. Mimaki TxF150-75. The Mimaki TxF150-75 takes the number 1 spot because it sets the benchmark for professional direct-to-film printing. Built specifically for commercial production, this industrial-grade printer combines exceptional print quality with advanced reliability technologies that dramatically reduce downtime. Mimaki's exclusive nozzle check unit, NCU, nozzle recovery system, NRS, and MCTV2 white ink circulation technology work together to prevent clogged nozzles and maintain stable operation even during long production runs. It produces stunningly vibrant colors, razor-sharp details, and highly durable transfers that perform beautifully on cotton, polyester, blends, and many other fabrics. The use of OEKO-TEX ECO Passport certified PHT50 inks also makes it suitable for producing safe, high-quality apparel. With its outstanding color consistency, intelligent maintenance system, and industrial-level reliability, the TxF150-75 is the ideal choice for professional print shops that demand maximum productivity and premium print quality every single day. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best DTF printers. Whether you're just starting a custom apparel business or upgrading to a professional production setup, there's a printer on this list to match your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more printer reviews, tech buying guides, and business equipment recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.